Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Coinbase. If you're receiving Bitcoin from another wallet, an exchange, or a friend, you'll need your Bitcoin wallet address to complete the transaction. This video is useful for any Coinbase user who wants to receive Bitcoin but isn't sure how to find their wallet address. This video is going to be short, simple, and straight to the point, so make sure to stick around all the way to the end to learn how to find your Bitcoin wallet address on Coinbase. So first things first is you're going to want to locate your Coinbase app. So you can do that a multitude of ways. You can just go and find it in your phone, or you can swipe down, type in Coinbase, and it should pop right up. So once you open Coinbase, you want to scroll down and you should see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe there's some other things that are on your watch list. If not, you can always go down here and all of the other assets will show up. So for the instance of this video where we're trying to find the Bitcoin wallet address, we are going to click on Bitcoin. And then in order to find our Bitcoin wallet address, we are going to hit this transfer button on the bottom. It's the dark blue button. And then we're going to hit the receive button. Now, once you hit this receive button, it'll bring up your wallet address and it will bring up a QR code. Now, there's two ways that you can share your actual Coinbase Bitcoin wallet. One is through that QR code. You can just have someone scan it and they can send you over whatever amount of Bitcoin. Or it is your actual wallet address, and it should be like crazy numbers and letters, but you can also send that and get your funds that way. But that's really all there is to finding your wallet address for Bitcoin on Coinbase. So now that we have the tutorial out of the way, here's some important tips to remember. Tip number one is to remember that each cryptocurrency has a different wallet address, so make sure you're always using your Bitcoin address. My second tip is to always copy and paste the address to avoid any mistakes, as incorrect transactions cannot be reversed. And my final tip for this video is if you need a QR code for your wallet address, Coinbase will provide one for easy scanning. And that's really all I have for this video. If you did find this tutorial helpful, please be sure to drop a like. Also, be sure to share this video, whether it's with a family member or a friend. Just be sure to share this video if you think it will help them. And most importantly of all, be sure to hit that subscribe button for more future tutorials. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great day and peace out.